Welcome to this Audit Applications product demonstration. Here we're going to be reviewing our online audit confirmation system and running through the steps to create and send a new confirmation round. The first step is to choose your client and file. In the drop-down list, we can either create a new client or select an existing client. Once we've selected our client, the next step will be to review the name of the round, select the date of the balance, and then set your automatic reminders. I'm going to use the standard automatic reminders of sending them out 7 days and 14 days after the original email, meaning that if one of the respondents has not replied, then an email will be sent out as a reminder automatically on these days. Then we have the option of putting in the name, email, and contact information of the specific accountant, which will then be added into the email so that the respondents can contact this accountant directly of any questions. Finally, I will be uploading my balance spreadsheet file. You're also able to download a template by clicking here in order to populate your client's information into a spreadsheet file. However, I'm just going to select the file that I already have for this customer. After pressing next, we're brought into a review of the spreadsheet file. Here I can see all of the information that has been imported from the Excel document. I can change any of this information if it's incorrect. After a quick review, I can see that it all looks good, and I will press next. Here, I'm brought into some currency rates because we're dealing with not only American customers, but also customers using the euro and the Danish crown. So here I can update our US dollar to euro conversion, for example, in the Danish crown conversion, and say submit. Here we see the templates that are being used for generating the emails. We've got some different languages here, so we can see the individual emails in the different languages as well as the reminders. We also have the option to click on a preview button here just to see real quickly what that email looks like. When we press next, we're brought into the final step of sending out an audit confirmation. Here we can see just an overview of the information, such as the round name, the round ID. We can see how many of these emails are being sent out, as well as a summary of what the total in our currency for this audit confirmation round will be. We also see the reminders and have the ability to see preview emails for individual customers or preview emails for all of them. When I'm ready to go, I simply press send, and I'm brought to our confirmation page that these emails have been sent out. Here's an example of an audit confirmation email. The information that was included in the Excel file is merged together with text showing what company this is addressed to in regards to a payment to which company, account information, including the amount that we're asking to be confirmed. We have the contact information so that we can contact this auditor directly, or we can just either confirm the entire amount or reject or edit the amount that is being requested. We're going to click reject amount and be brought into the landing page where we can then review what we're being requested to confirm. We can then change the value and say that it's $40,000 instead of the amount that was stated, $49,750. We can add any comments and upload files as well, such as invoices or other supporting documents. When we press submit changes, we get a dialog that our changes have been submitted and we're done with the process. Back in the application, the auditors can report in real time the progress of their audit confirmations. So here we can see the confirmation that we've just made, and we can also see that there's a 10% progress in the answers. When I click through, I'm brought into a report where I can then see what the total response of the 10 recipients has been, and there's been one reject, which equals 10% of the recipients. Over here, however, I can see the total amount that has been confirmed and rejected. Since our recipient here didn't reject the entire balance, but merely a portion of it, we can see that 3.6% of the total has been rejected, whereas 14.7% has been confirmed. And we can see these totals over here on the right. When we're reviewing our respondents, we can do so simply by scrolling down and seeing which have been answered, which have been unanswered. And for this one that has been rejected, if we wish to go in, we can click on Edit, see additional information, download any supporting documentation, and then make a decision from our accountancy side as to whether or not we agree with the balance according to the customer and input comments for the future report. Once we've received enough respondents and gone through our approval process, we can simply push print to print this out and save it as a PDF document for supporting our audit.